In a forgotten corner of the world, a legend sleeps. Some treasures aren't buried, they're just forgotten. Today, we resurrect one, a ghost of the future, the magnificent 2026 BMW XM Motorhome. The first look reveals a story of neglect, a dull, oxidized shell, its once vibrant color faded to a mere memory. Rust clings to its powerful lines, the doors, the hood, the expansive roof. Its tires are flat, its iconic headlights shattered. But even beneath the decay, the soul of a masterpiece endures. Our mechanic sees past the damage, recognizing the potential hidden within. The journey to revival begins. With surgical precision, the tow truck prepares it for the first step of its comeback. Soon it arrives at our workshop, a sanctuary of restoration. The transformation has begun. The strip down is total. Every damaged bumper, every rusted door, the hood and the trunk are carefully removed. The old engine is lifted from its bay. Now we're down to the bare bones. We sand the entire body, stripping away the rust and revealing the raw metal beneath. Dents are hammered out, and the body is meticulously repaired. With the canvas prepped, the artistry begins. A perfect coat of primer is applied, a blank slate for the beauty to come. Then the true color returns. The factory original shade is sprayed with robotic precision, layer after layer. A final, glossy clear coat seals the finish. The reassembly is where the legend is truly reborn. Brand new headlights, the iconic grille, and new alloy wheels are installed. The interior is revived to its original luxury. A final polish and a ceramic coating protect the perfect finish. Now, the moment of truth. The garage door opens. From a forgotten relic to a rolling sculpture, the transformation is complete. The engine ignites with a powerful roar. The 2026 BMW XM Motorhome, reborn, ready to conquer the road.